Alright, hello and welcome back. Good morning. Why do I say good morning? Because it is 4:48 in the morning where I'm at. Why, you ask? Why am I filming so early in the morning? Well, I'm sure some people would call it foolishness, stupidity. I prefer to think of it as good work ethic. And don't worry, I'm going to tell you the entire story as the video progresses. But before we get into it, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by and giving me a look. And if you're returning, as always, welcome back. Always happy to have you. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows and primed my eyes, so we are ready to skedaddle right into the makeup, okay? I'm on like a high right now, because usually at 4 I get up, I do a workout. That's usually my workout time. 4 o'clock to like 5:15ish, depending on the workout that day. My body is conditioned to be ready to go at this time in the mornings, so now I have all this energy, but like it's gonna go to waste because I'm not out. What's today? Today's Friday? Yeah, so today is a run day and I'm not running, so I'm gonna feel weird all day today. But because you know, like when you're into a workout schedule, workout cycle, it feels weird when you don't work out. That's what my body's gonna feel like. But like I can just work out in the afternoon, but I hate working out in the afternoons. I like working out when it's nice and cool outside. So before I get into it, for today's look, as I'm sure you can tell from the title, we're gonna be doing a Valentine's Day look, but make it a little edgy, make it a little dark. So my vision for this look is a pink moment right here, maybe extend it like 3/4 of the way on my lid, and then have a black tail end, you know what I'm saying? And today I'm going to be using my ABH Narvina collection. I think this is volume 2. I'm going to be using these pink shades, D3 and A1. I might dip into this black shade, but I think for the overall look, I want it to be a shimmery black, and that's a matte black. So if I do end up wanting to go for the shimmery black, I'm going to go into my ColourPop Smoke Show palette, Night Dreams right here. Okay. Let's get started. Let me start answering some questions. Why am I filming at 4, almost 5 in the morning? Well, your girl had a bit of a hiccup earlier this week. I filmed a whole look. With Valentine's Day coming, I already knew that I wanted to film a Valentine's Day look. And I was wondering like what I could do to like set myself apart or differentiate myself, because I know everybody's gonna go for, you know, the really romantic pink eye looks, which I love, don't get me wrong, but I wanted to do something different, you know what I mean? And I was sitting around wondering, what could I do? And the first thing that popped into my mind was, do Valentine's makeup, but make it a little dark, make it a little, you know, extra, make it a little more sinister. And so that's exactly what I did. Where's my packer brush? I'm gonna go in with this pink shimmer, see how we like it. It's not calling to me. Is it calling to y'all? Maybe if I wet it. You know, we're just gonna wing it. Because the look I'm doing today is different than the look I did 2 days ago. What was the look you did yesterday, Tiffany? Well, I'm glad you asked. So going along with the dark theme, like a dark Valentine's Day look, I used the colors red and black. I'll throw up a picture here so y'all can get into the gigs of what I did. Not a bad look, right? But it wasn't speaking Valentine's Day to me. It was speaking more like Halloween, vampy. But I spent 2 hours filming that look, and because of time constraints, I was like, you know what? It's Valentine's Day enough to where I feel confident and comfortable putting this out, and whatever, if people don't like it, they don't like it. It is what it is. And that was that. So what happened, you ask? Well, a lot of things. Seems like that video just wasn't meant to be, because everything that could go wrong did go wrong. I finished filming it, spent hours editing it, I exported it, and then set it up to be uploaded onto YouTube. Now, usually my videos, they don't take too long to upload, but I noticed that it was taking a while. I think I'm gonna forego that matte black, and I'm gonna go in with my Smoke Show palette. So I noticed very quickly that I was taking longer than normal to upload, and I was a little worried because that's happened to me before, where the entire video took entirely too long to upload, and then I ended up having to cancel the upload and then re-upload it for whatever reason. So I was like, okay, well, while that's uploading, let me go ahead and film another video that I have scheduled. Everything went fine, everything went great. I finished filming. When I finished filming the video, I wanted to go check on my upload to see, you know, has any progress been made? What's going on? And it was stuck at 89%. And I was like, okay, you know, it moved a little bit, cool. But the problem was, it was stuck at 89% for an entire day. Usually when I upload a video, I like to sit and wait for it to be fully uploaded. before, you know, I kind of go on about my day or go on about my night, and I fell asleep on it. But when I woke up the next day, it was still at 89%. And that's when I knew for sure that something was wrong. So after consulting my good friend Google, I tried out many different remedies. How's it looking, y'all? What do y'all think? I think it looks nice. I think it looks good. Let me go ahead and try to condense this down. So essentially what happened was, it wasn't uploading. It just wasn't uploading. It was stuck at 89% and it wasn't moving. So I had no choice but to cancel the upload. So that wouldn't and shouldn't be a problem, right? I still have the file. I should just re-upload it. See, the thing was, remember when I said everything that could go wrong did? Yeah, that's part of it. Didn't have the file anymore. I record all my videos on my phone and then I send it to my MacBook where I do my editing. And to save space on my phone has a lot of space. I think it's the 200 something gigabyte one, so like I don't have to worry about recording long videos, but I don't necessarily want those long videos to stay on my phone. Once it's uploaded to my MacBook, I delete it off my phone to save space for the next recording. Well, it should still be on your MacBook, right, Tiffany? What had happened was, it's not. It wasn't. I have no idea where it is. I have no idea what happened. It was on my computer one day and then gone the next. I don't know what happened. I'm not sure. I think that's probably part of the reason why it wasn't uploading. I went through every file. I scanned my entire system. I scanned my system disk. I was downloading all of these programs to try to recover it, but they want you to pay like $70, $80. Like, now I know some of you, if you're familiar with Macs, you know, why don't you just go in the time machine? It's just still be in there. Well, my dumb behind disabled my time machine. I was working on my MacBook, trying to increase space and declutter and whatnot, and I disabled it temporarily. And of course, with my luck, it just so happened that the one time I disabled it is the one time I really needed it. So yeah, the file's gone. I can't get the video back. It's gone finito. Was I upset? A little, but I pride myself on my resiliency. I'm able to quickly recover from any setback that's thrown my way. That's one of the things I'm really good at. So after spending the majority of that day trying to recover this lost video, I finally realized unless I want to pay $80 something, gross, it's gone. And there's nothing that I can do about it. What's done is done. We gotta move forward. What are we gonna do now, Tiffany? So I said to myself, we're just gonna go ahead and redo the video and we're gonna do it better. We're gonna use pink this time because red was a little too strong. So in my last video, it should have been my last video, I said that my foundation, my Makeup Revolution foundation, which has been my tried and true, it's not a shade match for me anymore because it's winter and I get progressively lighter and lighter. Well, for this video, I'm actually going to use my winter foundation, the one that I use when I'm the lightest that I ever am. Even this is a little dark for me, which is kind of alarming. Do I need to get outside more or what? But anyways, it's the Anastasia Stick Foundation in caramel or caramel, however you pronounce it in your neck of the woods. Who really cares? Stick foundations, man. My liquid foundations, I would have been done by now. All this blending, making my arm hurt. Do y'all really care about the rest of the makeup or the rest of the face? I mean, I feel like you don't. The main focus of my Valentine's Day look is going to be the eyes, so we're going to skip through all this, and then I'll be back with the rest of the eyes and the lips. And we're back. Alright, so I finished the rest of the face. I'm going to go in, smudge out the bottom lash line, put on some lashes, and then we should be done. Actually, let me go ahead and hit the inner corners while I'm here. Alright, let's smoke out this bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in real quick and deepen. I want that, like, the black to be really black. So I'm gonna go in and deepen the outside. Do the same thing with the pink right here. This looks so pretty. I love it. So I'm not gonna do a liner, but I am gonna do lashes. Okay, lashes are on. I feel like I need to do a little bit more with the blush. So I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow, actually, this pink eyeshadow in my palette. and just go a little ham. I feel like it's Valentine's Day makeup, so go a little ham with the blush. Who's gonna judge you? I mean, a lot of people, but you know, will you care? No, because people are gonna judge you regardless of what you do, so might as well just do you, right? I feel like that's a little much. I feel like I may have messed up the entire look. But you know what I'm gonna do? I can tamp that down a little bit. There we go. Just bring it down the intensity. It's a little much. There we go. I forgot, you know, these shades are pigmented. Now for the lips. I'm thinking maybe just a gloss for this look. Or maybe... yeah, I think that's pretty nice. Let's take the hair out and look and see. And we're done! Y'all, what do you think? I love it. I feel like this is a nice, like, dark Valentine's Day look, right? I know some people would have done a little bit more with the lips, but I think I did a pretty good job. I personally feel like this is much better than this. I think you can get more romantic Valentine's Day vibes from this look. Like, happy Valentine's Day, I guess. I mean, like, oh my gosh. So my morning energy, my morning high is now fading. It's now 6:05 in the morning. I'm not gonna bother with setting spray because I'm about to go wash all this off and start the day. But I truly hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the journey, and maybe you got a little laugh at my expense, you know? With that being said, thank you for watching and thank you for making it to the end. It would mean a lot to me and I would truly appreciate it if you went down below, left me a like, gave me them thumbs up, as well as please go down below, leave me a comment about anything under the sun. Also, don't forget to share this out to your people, and of course subscribe for more of the shenanigans. One more time, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Ta-ta!